Kahinyo trap Aceh National Movement hak arp sauterek unai wing arhajar arpo kalakentu yo menteri rangba ka jela Konrad K Sangma bu unya kun no ban penbe yo put usam bat ka asam kenang ba kipat ba kin yo no ya kasuk kasan hakathan hakate ka jinga kedu ka HANM hapo ka jinga lam jong ba lamprang karbani kalapen kan maru yo menteri rangba ka jela ya ki jingsha ban ben kipat nong song snong ki basa ki jaga kaput ba markap bat ka jela asam Layo rubanya kran bo Chief Organizing Secretary cum Legal Advisor ke HANM ubale thu bana kalyang kaseng kenom sngap jar hado bana yo I ya karai bas camp bat kijing pentrai kam ya kijing rai ke sarkar.
So within a very short span of time we have just simply submitted our memorandum in related with the border dispute. So since right from 1972 the HNM with a deep concern. We have seen like the media, especially the local media, they have surfaced many atrocities problem with regard to this border dispute. Then the HNM being the organization who look after them. And our main issues are border issues. Then we are very much concerned. Then we came today, we urged our Chief Minister at least to take an initiative, bilateral meeting with the government of Assam. And if the government of Assam could not do anything, then the Chief Minister should invite the central government to intervene in regard with these matters. The problem is that we have seen that atrocities, murdering, those are the problems like day-to-day life these people who are staying in the border area they are facing. The Chief Minister, he has given an assurance. He said that he had a very tight schedule because of this pandemic. So, and moreover nowadays he has so many meetings that he have to be met with many chief ministers. Then he has given an assurance that he will take as soon as possible that meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam or the government of Assam. Then we will see to it. We urge the Chief Minister and the government of the day at least to take serious note in regard with this border dispute, so that no untoward incident will happen in near future.